Yo, what's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is When an Entitled Parker Messes with the Wrong Tow Truck Operator. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they talking about here, man.
4th, 2024, an officer responded to a call regarding a battery.
What's going on?
So this week the same thing happened.
Okay.
And he got
What, your vehicle got towed?
yeah, not mine. So it was with a parent at the school that my kids goes to.
Okay.
So he was, he was doing the same thing. He always trying to do that. So I just came to see my friend. She was going to show me a place that is available for rent. It was here for 2 minutes. There is camera. You can check the cameras.
That's a civil issue. The towing issue is a civil issue.
Yeah, no.
You don't
Yeah, I know.
involve it.
But when I came, so I tried to go inside the car. He pulled my clothes. Okay.
Hold your clothes.
Yeah, trying to.
What is he saying to you?
He took. Yeah, you cannot go inside your car.
Okay.
Okay. And then after that, he started recording me and saying that he was getting my car anyways.
Okay.
Then he said that I was going to, I tried to pay. So my friend offered me to pay.
Okay.
I don't know where she is. Let me just call her.
So what do you need me for?
Yeah, actually, so he touched me and he's saying that I touched him. I touched his clothes. I did.
So you guys, okay, what do you need me for? What would you like me to do?
Yeah. I'm so nervous. I know that it's a civil. It's not up to you.
Well, when you guys start, what's the ultimate outcome? What would you...
Amiga, por favor, vem aqui porque eu preciso de testemunha. Sorry.
Go ahead, talk to him and let me talk to this guy. You hang out over here. What's going on, bud?
Alright, I had her, like, I know that's not y'all's issue or nothing.
Okay.
It seemed to be going alright. I asked her if she wanted the drop fee. She said she was going to call the manager, have them come
Okay.
and get her out of that or whatever.
So are they paying the drop fee
I
or?
was trying to get her to, at which point she then assaulted me when I
What did
went to go ask her about it. I got
How
her
did she
video.
assault you?
I'm sorry, a little shaky. And she had punched me in the throat. She scratched me
Okay.
here.
What would you like to do?
I'm trying to press charges. This
Going to court
happens,
and all that stuff?
yeah, this happens every 2 days on this property.
Okay.
And I'm honestly getting tired of it.
Okay. Second time this week?
Yeah, with this guy. So you came here the last time?
But
Okay.
I read.
It was not me, but he touched my arm.
Yeah, you better have some proof. You better have some proof. You better have some video. You better have something. If you ain't got nothing, Becky is going to jail. Okay, Becky is going to jail. Period. You can't say, oh, he say she's. No, my man got video. She said she punched him in the throat. You know, she Latina, you know what I'm saying? You know they get a little spicy. They get a little spicy. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, listen. Them Latina chicks, they get a little spicy. So, yeah.
You want to write a statement?
Yeah.
Okay. You work inside of here now? You work?
No, I
Or your
don't.
castle? You work?
No,
your place?
my friend works over here, and then she said that I had a spot available for rent. I was going to take a look, so she said that I could park over here. So I literally parked for 2 minutes. There is cameras, you can check. I know that it's a civil
It says
thing.
future resident parking, so.
Yeah, so there. I don't know why he's towing my car, but he's doing this. So he did this to a parent this week. So,
Do you have your ID? Can you get that for me, please? Any weapons or anything in the vehicle?
no.
Okay.
Bill crazy.
Is your friend still here that we could take to your friend too?
Yeah, I just told her to come.
Was anybody else out here when this happened?
Yes.
When your vehicle got towed?
I'm not sure.
When it
So-
started?
Yes. Let me just call her 1 sec.
You were out here when this started?
They don't speak
English.
What do you speak? Hold on. You speak Portuguese?
Portuguese.
Okay. Hang on over here. Let me see if my partner can ask you what happened. So I just need to know if she was down here when she was trying to get in her car. Don't lead her though.
Okay.
Just see what she says.
Okay.
Hi.
Tudo bom.
Tudo bem, você é português?
Sou.
Brasileiro que
Sou.
é português.
Então, o que houve hoje?
So I just need to print your name here. What happened? You came over here to visit a friend. You want to be a future tenant, and from there. Okay.
You want me to write it?
Yes.
Tá, não chegou.
Não, acho que não. O que eu vi ali só foi falação.
Tá. She's saying that she asked her to come by just to be here. She should give her and then all she saw was them talking. And she was upset, but she said I never saw either one of them touch each other.
Okay.
Oh, my phone.
She didn't see her try to grab his phone at all.
She never pushed him. She just saw her push her hand in front of his phone.
Why did she come over here to meet with her?
Como é que tu conhece ela? Because they're friends, and then she came in to talk to her real quick at her job. And then she's like, oh, she asked her if she could park here. She's like, yeah, it was real quick. So she said yes.
What were they talking about? Like,
It's just a friend talk about people in Brazil and stuff like that because they know each other from Brazil.
so not about getting a
No.
Okay. We can just get her name or get her ID and get her name information. Contact. Sworn to affirm what you're written is correct and true. Yes.
Yes, sir.
And she already signed. Okay. Can I see the video when she?
Yeah, and then this was the next video. Oh, now you're going to jail. That's assault, man. Also, there's 4 cameras on this truck.
They don't.
Yeah.
Oh, what do
my
you got?
boss can download it.
I need to see that, please.
Yeah.
Sign here, sworn above the attached statements are correct and true. So now she writes, did she grab me by the arms and the clothes? Initially, she's like, grab me by the clothes. Now I have to ask questions, okay? Because there's cameras all over that truck and he's got video. So I'm reading your statement and I have your initial statement recorded, okay? Is there anything that you would like to change about what you told me and what you wrote on there?
It's the lineup question.
Because he's got a lot of cameras on that, which are pretty good at recording.
Yeah, actually, so I did touch him, but he said that he has scratches.
Yeah.
But did you see in the camera that I didn't touch his neck?
Well, he has the scratch and you're grabbing his clothing. So
Oh,
my
this
question, you made the allegations that he grabbed you. Did he
He
grab
said
you?
that you cannot go inside the car. Okay.
Did he grab you?
He tried. He tried. He didn't. He tried.
He never touched
So I'm so
because you were in the car, right?
yeah, I was so nervous that I didn't even remember.
Okay. So he never
Put
touched
your
you.
hands behind your back. You're
Correct.
cooked.
The other day,
We can't talk about the other day.
I know.
The other day is its own thing. Okay. Today is today's thing. He never touched you when you tried to get in the car, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So he never put his hands on. Okay. All right. So, because he has the video and was able to watch, so he's got a small scratch, and no matter what, a
I know,
small
but
scratch
I
is a
didn't-
small
But I
scratch.
didn't touch it. It was not for me. You can do the I don't know the name of this in here, but you can see that it was not me.
But you can see that you're reaching and grabbing. You're grabbing hold of his clothes.
It was only his clothes, sir.
Yeah, but you.
Officer, I didn't touch
I
it.
wasn't. But there's video, and we can
Video of me or video
see, of you guys right here.
But
You
I
can see clearly that you're grabbing, you're reaching, you grabbed around his
no, I
shirt.
didn't, sir.
His shirt. You have his shirt in your hand,
No, I didn't touch his neck. I didn't touch his
but
body.
he's got a small scratch.
It was not me. I did. So he went inside the car. You can check the camera. He didn't want to talk. My friend tried to.
Right
pay.
after that,
yeah,
he didn't want to do
probably
anything.
scratched himself.
You think he
know.
scratched himself? Okay.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, hang tight. Hang tight. Okay.
Yes, I have my kids leaving the school in an hour.
I know.
Right here.
I hear you.
There's no reason to do that.
Unfortunately, when somebody alleges,
Are you going to arrest me for that?
yes, I am. Do you need to call somebody to pick your kids up? Because he wants to press charges. So are you able to call somebody and let them know?
Yeah, 1 second.
Hold-
Amiga, eles vão
Hold
me
on.
prender. I'm sorry. Eles vão me prender.
He's gonna go. Because she battered him. She put her hands on him.
No,
It's
but-
recorded.
But he did it first.
No, he didn't. She admitted
No?
it didn't happen.
He tried. Ele deu a segunda vez, ele contou já da outra vez.
Plus, there's cameras all over that truck.
Did you see?
Listen, friends is gonna rock with you to the end, man. If they tight like that, boy, look how she rolled up. Yeah, but she hit him he hit him first. He hit her first. No, ma'am. She admitted that she in fact lied. And then the friend like, yeah, she lied, okay?
His truck?
Yeah, there's 4. See those black things right there? Those are cameras facing this way. Those are cameras facing this way. Ma'am,
1 second.
hang out. No, wait here.
Always on the
So she's got to go. And nothing in your pockets, correct? And pockets are empty. Double check. We're going to hold on to that. You just throw it on the front seat. Hands behind your back. If you put them behind your back like that, like you're praying, interlace, it's easier, more comfortable, okay? Just have us. So the easiest way, yep, just step in. And then,
Like this?
Yep. I just got to get the seatbelt here. And then buckle you in, okay? It's a lot more room in these Tahoes. So.
Damn, BBL
And I got the AC on. So.
Becky. God damn. Latina.
All right, so I just need you guys to scoot, sure.
Yep.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.